ஹாய் ஹலோ வெல்கம். இன்னைக்கு என்ன நாள் திரும்ப இன்னைக்கு தாங்க நம்ம கோயம்புத்தூர் டே. ஆனா கோயம்புத்தூர் பிடிக்கல யாருன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
Hi guys, myself Dr. G. Rudramurthy, All India Rank 8 in recent May INICET 2024. I completed my PDS from Adiparahati Dental College.
Very happy, ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். பையன் வந்து 8th ரேங்க்கு வாங்கிட்டாங்கன்னு சொல்லி நான் ட்ராவல் இருக்கும்போது சொன்னாங்க அந்த இதில். அப்போ நான் வந்து வீட்டுக்கு வரும்போது கேக் இதெல்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு வந்து கொடுத்தேன். அப்புறம் திரும்பி வந்து இன்டர்வியூ பண்ணினதை காட்டினாங்க. டெல்லியிலேருந்து ஒரு மேடம் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. நமக்குள்ள எல்லா திறமையும் இருக்குது, அதை நான் வந்து வெளிப்படுத்தி பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு இறைவன் சப்போர்ட்டு கிடைக்கும். அது இல்லாமல் வந்து நம்மளுடைய அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்டு கிடைக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து ஜூனியர்ஸுக்கு வந்து சொன்னது ரொம்ப கருத்துள்ளதாக இருந்தது. ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சியாக இருந்துச்சு.
Actually speaking about my preparations, it should start from 12th actually if I'm speaking. Everyone started glorifying MBS, but I don't want to go into the trap of MBBS and waste another one more year. So I took up BDS with that courage. Okay, we have to give what we have. What we get, we have to give best out of it always. That is what one main motto for me every day. Actually, I am from Tirupur. I didn't go to an institute and study so much. I used to prepare in my house itself. During that preparation, there was so much family function, everything was happening. But my parents were always motivating and stood by me and told, okay, you can be here and you study, you have taken this, you can push yourself how much ever possible you can do it. They gave me freedom for me that. And I was given a separate room. I was staying in the room only for 24 hours. It went like that.
ரூமில் வந்து இண்டிவிஜுவலாக வந்து அவரே டைம் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி படிப்பாப்பிள்ளைங்க. அதுக்கு தேவையான சோர்ஸஸ்லாம் அவங்க அம்மா பண்ணிகிட்டு இருப்பாப்புல. தேவையானப்போ டீ காஃபி இதெல்லாம் அவங்க வச்சு கொடுப்பாங்க. அது அவங்க தூங்கிட்டாலும் கூட அவரே வச்சு குடிச்சிட்டு மேலே டாப் வரைக்கும் படிப்பாப்புல இங்கே படிப்பார். இது ரெண்டு மட்டும் தான் கான்செப்டாக இருந்தது. இதுக்கு இடையில வந்து எங்கேயுமே அவர் போகலை. வளைகாப்பு அது இதுக்கெல்லாம் அவர் எங்கேயும் போகாமல் அவர் முழுமையாக அந்த இதில் தான் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் எந்த ஒரு இதையும் அவர் எடுத்துக்கல. அந்த படிப்பு அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி இந்த 6 மாதம் ஃபுல்லாகவே அதுக்குள்ளே இருந்துட்டாப்புல. அதை விட்டு வெளியில் வரல. ஆனால் அதுக்கான பலன் கிடைச்சிருக்கு.
During my internship, I came up a thought of, okay, shall we give a need for a PG? Then it little by little it started happening. First I used to carry my books to the college. I never studied. After only that during the last 3 months, okay, somewhat we have to prepare at least for now. That idea I got and I studied, and I finally secured a rank of 1100 in my first NEET MDS. So I joined a clinic near my house. I went there for 5 months, and during the clinical preparation they gave more importance to an MDS graduate than BDS graduate, and we can't wait so much time because I have some education loan, everything to pay. I started my preparation from October for upcoming NEET, and also I had an idea of applying for ADC Army Dental Corps. Then they didn't give up the notice also, so it went on, and I didn't join much institute. I used to prepare myself. In that interview, they asked me a question about what is Rudra. I told them it's fire. Everyone started laughing. Okay, it was a little bit down, but I gave the best during my interview, but they didn't select me. It went on like that. Okay, after that meeting with interview in ADC, I came to know that something is lagging. I should take up a course from any institute. That time only I came across Bhatia. I joined E-Gurukul, and the final lab course I joined. They discussed many MCQs segregated as subjects. It was a very good course.
You begin with an oral intubation and you convert the oral intubation into
During that travel phase and all is what led me down a little bit, so I could not focus much during my NEET preparation. So NEET I didn't get much rank. I got a rank of 593. Okay, I should not stop here, that was a motto there. It's just a stop, I should continue. And at the time also Bhatia was there and it helped me to secure this rank. Actually they gave me that free courses for a free test series so that they didn't leave me down. Even in my down phase they came and supported me so that I could continue. So I continued and I gave my best, I think so. I got the rank of all India, rank of 8 in the INICET May 2024.
I also so proud to be his sister. Actually I didn't so much involved in his activities. He always used to study in room alone. While I wake up at early morning 4, then he used to study continually without any diversions. I thought we facing so much struggle in our family. Everyone has some struggles in our family. He beated everything. He completely beated everything and came forward, and our family came forward.
Basically I was a chess player in my college. For every move you have to think and you should move your pieces. If anything goes wrong, every game you will lose your game. In my college also I was becoming a champion. I didn't become that much big champion. But that strategy which I used in chess that helped me a lot. It was very much the point what we need during this teenage is that we should be very much focused and we should think wide and we should think deep. These things should be there during our teenagehood. If it's there, means our teenagehood will be very much awesome and we can achieve many more successes like this. It's very small point. When I entered Bhatia's, Dr. Himani Joshi ma'am, Dr. Aishwarya Kaushik, Dr. Saurabh Bhatia, Dr. Sushant Soni and Dr. Sisti, so many ma'ams were there. They helped me throughout my journey. They helped get my concept clear around the topic, because topic specific concept clearing is very much important and we should keep focus. Actually the main motto is we should revise.
I just want to advise him. He was a more hard worker even than me and my elder sisters and my parents. He need the position what he need, so that keep going as it.
தம்பிகிட்ட பிடிச்சதே வந்து அவன் படிப்பு மேலே ரொம்ப அதிகமான இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட்டும் அதில் பெரிய சாதனை பண்ணணுங்கிறது அவனோட எய்மாக இருந்துச்சு. அதை சாதிச்சிட்டான்.
E-Gurukul was a turning point in my preparation. It gave me very much confidence and it saw the strategies in E-Gurukul app were very much helpful and motivating and helping to cover my knowledge about that subject. So I think E-Gurukul makes you the best. Actually the main thing is you should select your path and gain your knowledge how much ever possible from that path, and definitely success will be there. So you should not quit in between. What I am saying is everybody have a heights to reach. You should not quit in between. If you quit in between, you can't reach the height. Everybody can reach the height, but you should continue, you should push yourself and you should do your best for reaching that height. I take this opportunity to thank Bhatia for being at my lowest when I needed really help. If a small village boy can do this much, think about yourself. It's not that you can't do. If you have that big dream, it will definitely happen. Have that manifestation and confidence in you. Thank you, Bhatya.